Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. You're on a Samsung Galaxy with an active SIM and Android 9 or later, and you have at least 10% battery. Once done, close data-heavy apps and disable any VPN because it can hide system data settings. Now open Settings and use the search bar to type Data Saver. This takes you straight to the relevant screen. Make sure you're on the main phone profile, not a guest account, so the change applies to your mobile data. Once in Settings, go to Connections, then Data Usage, or simply tap the Data Saver result from search to jump there. You'll see the Data Saver toggle at the top and an Allowed Apps or Unrestricted Data list below. This shows which apps can bypass the saver. Tap that list to review each app. Allow only essential apps like messaging or navigation if you need background sync. Make careful choices, because unrestricted apps will consume your plan and defeat the saver's purpose. Now turn the Data Saver toggle off to restore normal background data for all apps. You'll notice some apps refresh immediately. Once off, open a messaging or email app and force a sync to confirm connectivity. If things don't behave, reboot the phone and recheck the toggle. Sometimes system UI needs a restart. If problems persist, verify you haven't hit carrier data limits and, as a last resort, reset network settings. That clears problematic configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.